Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about wet wipes. Do you guys know wet wipes? Wet wipe, known as wet towels, disinfecting wipes, and moist toilets. In my video, I'm going to talk about first, history and chronology of wet wipes. Second, types and usage of wet wipes. Third, life cycle of wet wipes. And fourth, benefits and tips of using wet wipes. We'll move to the first one, history of wet wipes. Wet wipe is a small pre-moistened pieces of paper or fabrics that often come folded and individually wrapped. American author Julius invented a wet wipe for daily use. A major brand as Kimberly-Clark and Procter & Gamble are the first companies to invent their own wet wipes. Next, chronology of wet wipes. American author Julius in 1957 worked at cosmetic industry and fixed a soap portioner machine. 1958 imprinted a new wet nap product. 1960 unveiled his intention at National Restaurant Show at Chicago. 1963 started selling wet nap products to Colonel Sanders KFC restaurant. 1990s large supermarket chains started to sell their own brand of wet wipes. Next, types of wet wipes. There are three main types of wet wipes nowadays. First, personal care wet wipes. Second, industrial cleaning wet wipes. And third, household and home cleaning wet wipes. We move for the what it is made for. Baby care, hand washing, removing makeup, applying other products such as sunscreen or deodorant, and feminine personal cleaning. We'll move on to the life cycle of wet wipes. There are 5 phases of life cycle. The first one, raw materials acquisitions. Second, product manufacturing. Third, distribution. Fourth, product use. And fifth, end of life. The first phase, raw materials acquisitions. The first one, cotton. Cotton came from cotton plants. The cotton processing starts with pick and grind the balls to separate the fibers from the seed to convert it to lint. The lint is pressed into bales and shipped to the spinning mills. The process called opening, cleaning, and cake formation. Cotton is then wet out and packed into large cakes. Second, wood pulp. The wood is broken down from the bulk structure of stems into the fiber component. Wood pulp comes from both softwood trees, pine, spruce, and large and hardwood trees, aspen and birch. Third, viscose rayon. Viscose rayon is created when wood pulp in a sheet form is chemically converted into viscose solution, then through the wet spinning process is converted to solid 100% cellulose. Next, we move to the second phase, product manufacturing. The first one, cotton. Purification of cotton requires water, heat, hydrogen peroxide, and sodium hydroxide. Chemical act as an oxidizing agent to remove fibrous impurities and whiten the color. There are different finish solutions depending on application need. Second, wood pulp. Wood chips are turned into thick fiberboard that later on shipped to the paper mill for further processing. Wood chips are chemically cooked in the presence of sodium hydroxide under pressure to remove lignin. Third one, viscose rayon. The cellulose from wood is dipped in a sodium hydroxide to be swelled and converted to alkali cellulose. There is a reaction with carbon disulfide then dissolved when dipped in sodium hydroxide to make viscose spinning solutions. The third phase, distribution. First, the machine can produce up to 60 packs per minute or more wet wipes. Second, distribution of wet wipes done by trucks to deliver it to factories for productions. Third, distribution of wet wipes done by the airplanes to transport all over around the world. We move to the fourth phase, product use. There is a very small percentage of material that came from the wet wipe will be recycled. This recycled percent can only come from non-woven fabrics. There is no reusing of wet wipes after being used. We move to the last phase, end of life. Wet wipes can cause contamination of water bodies and soil degradation. Massive waste of wet wipes in landfills. It persists in the environment even if breakdowns eventually. Wet wipes generate 7.6 billion pounds of garbage. Wet wipes generates 2 million of plastic packaging per year, and wet wipes third largest consumer item in landfill. It also clogging drains and sewer system. Next, we move to the benefits of using wet wipes. The first one, cleansing and moisturizing skins, especially for baby, hand, and body. Second, therapeutic purpose, killing germs on skins, treating acne and skin rashes. Third, convenience, quicker and easier to do cleaning. Fourth, disinfect, control and sanitize germs on surface. Next, we move to tips for consumer. The first one, use wipes only on unbroken and intact skin. Second, only for intended use as directions stated on the labels. Third, make sure to let the skin dry truly after using wipes. Fourth, keep the lid of the wipes closed from drying out. And fifth, discard used wipes immediately to prevent contaminations.